because this one right here was the aggressive one.
You're getting aggressive, my officer.
Yeah, you know why? No, don't sit here and back the story up now.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Don't do that. And I'm definitely letting them know that. Because you shouldn't be on the streets. Straight up. He shouldn't be on the streets. He shouldn't be on the streets. And I'm definitely letting no boy know. Okay, wait.
Hey,
what am I getting in the car for? I haven't even done shit.
Go over here. You go over there.
I haven't even done shit.
Go back to the station right now.
Wait a minute. What am I getting in the car for?
Crutchfield. Go back to the station.
Meanwhile, a Pasadena police officer is now suing her own department over discrimination.
Tyson Crutchfield says that she was punished after trying to de-escalate a situation back in February, and she believes it's because she's black.
What's going on, folks, and welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'd like to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in. Today's video doesn't come from any individual channel, but the Pasadena Police Department out in California. This is a body-worn camera footage of an incident that ultimately got one of the officers involved placed on administrative leave, leading this particular cop to file a lawsuit against the department for racial discrimination, along with 2 other officers who are suing the department for the same thing. This took place back in February of last year in 2023. The female cop who got placed on administrative leave goes by the name of Tyson Crutchfield, who has been with the Pasadena Police Department since May of 2021. I don't want to say any of the cops who were on scene used any unnecessary force because no one got seriously hurt. All I can really say about what happened here is that she was placed on administrative leave for doing the right thing, and that was attempting to de-escalate the situation she was dealing with. That was when she tried to intervene when the other cop was just going back and forth with the mother. I want you folks to go ahead and check this out. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video.
Fuck you. Stop. Nigga, stop. He's just... So what? Let them do that what they gonna do to this nigga, cause this nigga keep doing stupid shit.
You give me, give me a head up when I see him.
Go in the house.
Head up when I see him.
On God.
Head up when I see him, nigga.
I'ma hurt you.
Move, man. Head up when I see him, nigga. Head up, it's on when I see him, nigga. Heads up when I see him, nigga. It's up when I see him, nigga.
Is this your son? Okay.
Why you have him drop you off right there, nigga? He knows your timing. Hey! Hey! Walk that way.
I don't have to do shit. This my little brother. I don't have to do shit. This my little brother. Oh God, I shouldn't even talk to you. You niggas just killed my dad. So get the fuck out of my face. Oh God, I shouldn't even talk to you niggas. Y'all just killed my. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You in my face. You're in my face. Dude, what are you doing? Wait.
Watch out, bro.
No, he's wrong. You're wrong. You're handling it wrong. His father just got killed last week. Stop. Charles Townsend's dad. Stop. Get your vice commander out here. Get your I'm trying to tell him, dude, stop doing me like that. No, it ain't no you.
What's going on?
Bro, I got into an altercation, bro. Ain't nothing going on. I ain't high, bro. Can you just hiding him, bro? Y'all just killed my daddy, bro. Come on, bro.
You have anything in your pockets?
I don't, sir.
Alright, how old are you?
Sir. I'm 17, bro. I'm 17, bro. I think my wrist broke, bro. Think you broke my wrist, bro.
Is this your phone?
Yes, bro. Shut up!
Stand over here.
That's how y'all gonna do me? That's how y'all gonna do me, bro?
What are you talking about?
Fuck you, nigga. Y'all just stranged me.
We're working.
Fuck you, bitch.
Relax.
You need medical attention? Huh? You need medical attention? I think so, bro, cause my wrist been fractured, nigga.
You need the paramedics?
No, bro, I don't.
Okay.
Y'all just killed my daddy, though. Let me go, bro. Why y'all got me in handcuffs? I don't got nothing on me, bro.
Okay. We're just figuring out what's going on. That's all.
That's cold, bro. That's mad. Bro, come on, let me go.
Are you going to relax?
Yes, let me go. Nigga.
Stop it.
That's
On
it.
everything. Stop it. Stop it.
That's cold, bro.
On everything. Stop with the bullshit.
This my fault.
negative.
I ain't gonna lie, it's my fault. I'll tell y'all what y'all want to hear.
What's happened?
So
Tell
what's
us.
going
Let
on?
my brother go. He ain't do nothing. I ran up on my brother.
Why did
My
you
brother
run up on
got.
your brother? Why?
I ran up on my brother because I had something. It's not your business. Ah, sir, bro. Come on, bro. Hold on, bro. What are you doing?
I think someone's in that car.
Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me, hold on. Can I tell y'all what happened?
Yeah, after you have a seat.
Hold on, bro.
Have a seat.
Can you fix the handcuffs, though?
After you have a seat, get your feet in.
Let me put my feet in, nigga. Wait. Nigga. Where my phone at?
Don't worry about it. So what's going on? Why are you fighting with your brother?
Bro, because I had an altercation with my brother, bro. I got anger issues, bro. It's something me and my brother have personally going on.
Uh-huh.
Personally going on, bro.
Where do you guys live?
We live right.
Then.
Yeah. Thank you.
So what started the argument?
Bro, it's none of your business. Something about my father, bro.
It is my business when you're fighting in public.
Alright. Well. What you looking at?
Don't worry about what they're looking at. I'm talking to you. So what started the argument?
Can I please get out?
After you tell me what's going on.
I just told you, bro.
What
me and my
started
brother
it?
got
Okay, what started it?
Altercation. I woke up. I started it, bro. I just told you. I came out, bro. I ran up on my brother. I got anger issues, bro.
Okay. Did this happen here or this happened
Stop
in the
it
apartment?
right here, bro. Right here.
Okay.
Is my brother good? Can I get out?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
So
y'all know what
you
time it
don't
is.
need the paramedics or anything?
I don't.
I'm going.
I think my hand broke, bro. I think I broke my wrist.
Do you need the
bro.
paramedic?
No, I think I broke my wrist, bro.
Right.
Damn, nigga, I ain't good, bro.
Can you just step by him? Or him?
So at this point in the video, folks, these cops have all the subjects of the party handcuffed and detained. The female cop who shows up to de-escalate the situation is a little later on in the video. Overall, I still don't think these cops handling the situation did anything too concerning. No extreme amount of force was seen using on anybody in this video. That is only my opinion though, and I would like you to leave yours down below as well. When you become aggressive and agitated with known animals who carry dangerous weapons and are willing to use them, the situation never seems to have a good outcome. So all I can say is I think it is a very good thing that everyone who was involved here went home alive. On a side note, for the female cop who tried to de-escalate the situation, this is a known policy within police departments to never disparage the integrity of your fellow officers. That includes not interfering with the duties of their job, such as maybe violently arresting another individual of the public, or as something as simple as violating the rights of someone innocent. And if you do try to take action against a fellow officer's wrongdoing, we now know you can get punished for doing so.
Will you talk to me?
Look, I'm just trying. Can you please let me out? I literally just got home. That's my mom and my little brother.
Let me figure out what's going on.
Can I tell you?
Okay,
my little brother has anger. I'm about to just tell you.
Okay.
Because, look, now I'm getting angry.
Okay,
I'm getting mad.
If we figured out nothing
It's
happened.
your partner. Your partner was sticking my face all in cactus and shit. Now I'm mad. He's grabbing me my face and my shit.
You're talking to me, though.
Okay, but, like, that's not fucking cool, though.
We'll worry about
that's not cool.
So what's going on?
My little brother got anger issues. He's mad because I didn't come home on time. I'm a grown ass man.
Okay.
I hang out. My little brother's like my bed, but he's mad I didn't come home. And we just lost our father to like. My father got killed by the Algeria sheriffs, so he's really not on no type police thing. He don't like y'all right now.
Okay.
So now that y'all put up, so now that's what happened. Literally, that's all that happened. The officer pulled up. He told him get your bitch ass back, and that's it. And that's when all you guys came. We never walked towards no officer. We never did nothing.
Okay.
Never did nothing.
Okay.
That's all we did.
If you didn't do anything,
Then why are we getting? Why am I
You have to
handcuffs?
understand. It's part of the process. We have to
So
detain
why?
you. We
But
have to
why?
detain you.
Why for what though? For what? That's what I'm not
So we
understanding.
figure out what's going on.
But that's the thing. Y'all didn't even come asking questions. Y'all didn't even come asking questions. Y'all just came.
You guys, but you guys weren't.
Y'all don't even know who we were. That's the thing. Y'all didn't ask who we are.
That's what I'm here to figure out.
Y'all don't know that's the older lady. Y'all didn't think, oh, these could be their mama or anything.
That's what I'm here to figure out.
You don't think we could be brothers or anything? Like, come on now.
Do you have ID on you?
I do have an ID.
Where is it?
In my pocket.
Can I please see it?
Grab it.
Yes?
It's in my wallet right here.
You don't have any guns or anything?
No, that's for my blunts, because I roll blunts. That's literally it.
Where's it right here?
Yep, it's in my ID. If it's not in this pocket, it should be in this pocket. It's right here. My bad.
Okay.
I feel this right there. I don't got no weapons, nothing.
No, it's not there, boss.
My ID's right here, look.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's probably, okay, I see it. Okay, I got it.
Right there.
Cool.
It's in here, look, right here.
I got you, boss.
Pull it out right here.
Okay, you're good. Put your phone up here, okay? Look, we're all handling things differently.
I'm just gonna be honest too. I am out on bail right now.
I get you, man. I appreciate you.
I'm out on bail for.
Do you have an ID?
Yeah.
You want me to run him? Or do you have
No,
a
not yet. I just got it right now.
Can I tell y'all what happened? Hold on, bro.
Have a seat.
Fix the handcuffs, bro.
After you have a seat, put your feet in.
Let me put my feet in. Wait. Where my phone at?
Don't worry about it. So what's going on? Why are you fighting with your
Bro,
brother?
because I had an altercation with my brother, bro. I got anger issues, bro. It's something me and my brother have personally going on. Personally going on, bro.
Where you guys live?
We live right here in the house.
What's the apartment?
Yep, apartment. Yep, thank you.
So what started the argument?
Bro, it's none of your business. Something about my father, bro.
It is my business when you're fighting in public.
Alright, well. What you looking at?
Don't worry about what they're looking at. I'm talking to you. So what started the argument?
Can I please get out?
After you tell me what's going on.
I just told you, bro.
What
Me and my brother
started it?
got
Okay,
me and my
what
brother got
started
into
it?
altercation. I woke up. I started it, bro. I just told you. I came out, bro. I ran up on my brother. I got anger issues, bro.
Did this happen here or did this happen
Stop it right here, bro. Right here.
It's simple. Down. Pull my jacket down. All the way down. You see?
Y'all don't even know who we were. That's the thing. Y'all didn't ask who we were.
No, because this one right here was the aggressive one.
You're getting aggressive, my
Yeah,
officer.
yeah. You know why? No, don't sit here and back the story up now.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Don't do that. And I'm definitely letting them know
down,
that. Because you shouldn't be on the streets. Straight up. He shouldn't be on the streets. He shouldn't be on the streets. And I'm definitely letting old boy know.
Okay, wait.
Hey,
What am I getting in the car for?
Crutchfield,
I haven't even done shit.
go over here. You go over there.
I haven't even done
Actually,
shit. What am I
go back
getting
to
in the
station
car
right
for?
now.
Wait a minute. What am I getting in the car for?
Crutchfield, go back to station.
I'm definitely letting
no boy now. Definitely.
Velasco,
He's now. Because he's definitely.
Hello, I'm Gene Harris, the police chief for the city of Pasadena. I recognize people, including officers, may have different and sometimes divergent perceptions of events based on a myriad of factors. Time, lighting conditions, and other environmental factors, as well as internal and external human factors, come into play and must be thoroughly evaluated before arriving at conclusions related to behavior and associated outcomes. It's important to quickly assess issues, especially when such issues call into question officers' actions related to public or police contacts. I wish to assure the Pasadena community incidents where questions arise will be comprehensively reviewed or investigated to ensure transparency, effectiveness, and above all, accuracy. Factual foundation is paramount in pursuing sound outcomes and best practices. The facts of this incident are under review, and in the spirit of transparency and trust, as stated in the incident information video, I direct you to the raw video footage. The interaction between the officers is deemed a personnel matter and is under review. With that, I welcome any questions from the community. Thank you.
So I definitely want you folks to go ahead and let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. If you guys haven't yet already, please do be sure to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications down below for future videos regarding police accountability and your rights. I think it's a little sickening how police openly operate the same way a street gang would. If they go against anyone in their gang, they will be outcasted and be punished for it. From my perspective, they are nothing more than a tribe of bullies, liars, and thieves. They cause havoc and grief for other people by using all the tactics they're taught in the department to violate our rights. Every day we see videos of cops violating the rights of the people, and more of us are getting sick of it. Not a lot of folks put their trust in the police anymore like they used to, and they only do it to themselves by continuing to earn the hate. Before we get out of here, folks, I want to go ahead and leave you with the basic knowledge of your natural rights. The First Amendment protects your right to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. These are the 5 fundamental freedoms to the First Amendment under the United States Constitution of America that were written in order to protect yourself from government tyranny. If you are not aware of the power you can gain just by simply knowing these basic rights, I suggest you study them if you haven't yet already. Once again, I'd like to thank each and every single one of you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.